Is olive oil good for type 4C hair? Olive oil is one of the best oils for curly hair and particularly type 4C. Type 4C hair has tight Z curls, which makes natural oils from the skin to travel slowly to the hair shaft, leaving the hair dry and prone to damage. 4C hair benefits from olive oil because of its intense moisturizing property. The oil coats and protects the hair shaft from breakage and heat damage. Benefits of olive oil on 4C hair. Number 1. Olive oil strengthens hair by keeping it moistured and nourishing the hair shaft with the rich fatty acids and vitamins, protecting the hair from breakage. The main fatty acids in olive oils are so small, making their penetration easier compared to other oils. The fatty acids in the oil help to restore your lost lipid layer, making the hairs strong. Number 2. Strong and nourished hair will grow to its maximum potential. Because olive oil works to protect the hair against damage, you will be able to retain your length. Applying the oil by massaging it into the hair gives you the benefit of increased blood circulation and relaxed muscles, which are a good environment for hair growth. Number 3. When applied before washing the hair, olive oil makes detangling easier because of its lubricating property. Number 4. Because of its anti-inflammatory property thanks to oleic acid and antioxidant oleocanthal, olive oil helps promote a healthy scalp by fighting fungus and bacterial. Number 5. Olive oil is excellent when applied before shampooing your hair. Shampoos can be very damaging by stripping off your natural hair oils, and thus applying the oil will protect your hair shaft and scalp from the harsh chemicals contained in the shampoos. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.